Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. I didn't expect to post this. I didn't expect to make this video this soon, but my exhaust just basically blew up on me. Right now it's basically getting held on by basically just dreams and wires. But yeah, so it has a big ass hole. I'll probably put a picture in the video of how it looks. But yeah, basically we're gonna get a new exhaust system. It's time for a new one anyways. I was gonna do it eventually, but I didn't think it was gonna come down to my original exhaust blowing up on me. So it has a big ass hole. It drags now, so the wire is what is keeping it up right now. But yeah, I mean, this is a little before sound. This is how it sounds right now. Is the one that broke. The one on the right is still good, but yeah, we're gonna get a new exhaust system. Not today obviously because it's at night, but soon we'll get to that. It's a new day. It's very fucking cold out here. I don't even want to record, I'm not even gonna lie, but I'm gonna just show y'all what happened to my exhaust. Right now, it's a little hanging a little bit. I used a hanger to let it, as you can see, more smoke is coming out of this one than the other one. That part there's a big ass hole down there. Can't really fit it down there, but yeah, a big ass hole. Shit's dirty as hell right now. I don't know, it's too cold to wash her, sadly, but yeah, we're almost on E, so we're gonna get more gas. We're gonna go put on more gas, and then we're gonna go to summer racing, gonna return something, and then we're gonna go to the muffler shop to get it fixed. I'll probably just get it cut off from the muffler and then put on a new muffler and new exhaust tips, and we're ready to go with just that. So hopefully it'll sound a lot better, a lot nicer. That's what I'm depending on anyways. I want to be a little louder, because right now it's loud. It's kind of loud, but not really that loud. It kind of muffles out the chop. So yeah, let's get going. Okay, here we are at the gas station. Da un puto de frío aquí, pero ya ponerle gas, ya que de la verde o de la negra. Creo que de la verde. It has a Cummins swap in it. But yeah, I mean, I just wanted to show y'all the sound of it before I get something else. It sounds good, I'm not gonna lie, but it could be a little louder. You know, that's what I like. I don't know what type of tips I'm gonna get. I don't know if I'm gonna just dump it or actually get some tips going out. I'm really indecisive about this, so I hope I get it right. But as long as it sounds good, I don't really care. Pero yeah, mira qué sucio está, pinche truca. Los rines, todos sucios. Luego all the dirt and shit. It's cause it's been foggy in Dallas, and I guess everyone's car literally looks like this, like shit. So it's been misty, foggy. And mira todo ese pinche dirt over here. Hell no. I need to get this clean. This is the only time y'all see me wake up early, I swear. When I had to go do truck stuff. If not, I don't wake up early. I wake up around maybe 10, 11, 12. Sometimes even 1. I'm not even finna cap. But yeah, here we are up early, trying to get another day started. I was supposed to be up earlier too, but I just didn't wake up. The alarm went out off, but I didn't wake up. I was supposed to be there before they opened, so I could be the first one there. Pero as y'all can see, obviamente no estoy allí. So let's hope there's no other people in front of us. Homeboy told me to check his what's under the hood. Let's see what's under the hood. A la verga. Okay, okay. Puras trocas bonitas. Alright. He gave us permission to turn it on. So, a ver. Oh, okay. Mira, la troquita ya va para arriba. We better get that shit done, boys. I'm gonna check it out one more time. It sounds pretty silent. Sounds kind of good though. So, está bonita la troquita. And then let's go look at it one more time. Because he said he had some special things done to it. Yeah, this looks nice. I'm not even gonna lie. Sheesh. That's your way. Okay, ya traemos la troquita aquí arriba. Sadly, I forgot to get my little thing, but these are the guys, A and B and brake. Right here, that's the address. They do state inspections and shit. But yeah, already starting to work on it. So thankfully I was the first one here. But yeah, go check them out. I'll give y'all a little update on what I'm gonna get. That's our old muffler. We got the Carven right there, Carven R series, and then 2 tips are gonna be going out the side. And yeah, it's looking good. It's gonna look good. I know that. I know it's gonna sound good too. But yeah, it's gonna look pretty good. Alright, here we are. They were quick. I've been here for maybe like 8 minutes, and they're already welding it on. I already took everything off, so we're doing good. But yeah, it looks good. And then them side tips, they're gonna look really good. I'm not even gonna lie. I've been wanting some for a while, but I just never went for them. But yeah, they're gonna look really good. Okay, so they welded it on, the Carven. I don't know if it's an R or the other one. I forgot what it was, but it's the smaller one, the louder one. So it's gonna sound good. But yeah, it's welded on now. They're just getting the fitment right so they can put the tips, and we'll be on our way. It's been less than 20 minutes. So yeah, they're doing some really good time here. Damn, that bitch is chopping. Motherfucking chopping over here. Jesus. That's actually kind of cool. Look, big ass exhaust tube. It's a work truck. Fuck. Mira, se oye mejor que la mía. Chop, 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 chop. Getting it loaded on. Train passing by. Truck is almost done. We're almost out of here, and it's actually not that bad. They're not charging that bad. A lot of shops like to charge a shitload of money for, you know, new exhaust systems. Pero estos, they're good, man. They're good people. Damn, he lower than your grandma tits right here. Jesus, that shit is slow as fuck. I don't know if it's because it's crashed. I thought it was someone crashed them and it just stayed there. But no, that dude low. He lower than me. Shit. I gotta step my game up. There we go. That's the work done right here. Carven. It's ready. Ya todo está listo. Está bonita la coca. Sí, préndela. I'm gonna let homeboy turn it on, see how it sounds. I'm actually pretty excited. Hopefully the video sounds better than what it actually is. Alright, here we go. It's on the floor. We're about to turn that bitch on. this bitch sounds hella good. Una quemada llanta cause I fucking just left with spinning out. I spin my tires when I left the shop. Wish I could have recorded that, but it sounds good, man. Especially when you drive. Here, let me drive a little bit and I'll show you how it goes. Cause that bitch sounds hard. Let me just put my tripod on so I can actually record a little better and not have to put my hand through it. Cause man, that bitch sounds good as fuck. Alright, there we go, we're on the tripod. Okay, let's go on a little ride. I'll put y'all right here by the center console. That's when I love the sound. At idle, it sounds a little bit like my other one, not as much. It sounds a little more choppy. At least it doesn't like cover the chop as much as the other one. But I wish I had my glasses so I could see if there's any cars behind me or in front of me. But let's give it a little quick. Spent money, that's what I'm gonna say. Se me va. Now it sounds like it got the power it needs. Man, I really love the sound. Alright, we're gonna give it a little stop here and then hit it. Alright, so right there, and then just my transmission is slipping, so I can't go all the fucking way. But if I could, man, this is a nice truck. I really like how this truck is turning out to be. Alright, we're on Browning. What is this? I don't even know how to get home. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Oh, never mind. I know where I'm at. I'm gonna see if my homeboy Roberto home. Go and show him a little bit of the. Oh shit. Man, this sounds good as hell. Carven for the win, man. Now I had a chance to get a Flowmaster, a Super 10. Flowmaster Super 10 Series. And also he had another one which I don't know what it was, but he said the Carven was the best. Carven was the best, so I was like, okay, you know what? I hear a lot of good things about Carven. That's what all the tacuaches get. So that's what I'm gonna get. And it did not disappoint. It did not disappoint at all. Alright. Let's give it a little gas here. Probably some new wheels too. some smaller ones, and then I gotta put the slicks. Gotta put a little drag pack on it. Man, this bitch sounds good as hell. Hopefully he's home, and hopefully he's not asleep, so I don't wake him up. Cause I'm gonna rev in front of his house. I don't think he's home to be. Oh, he might be. A ver, darle un poco de gas. Mira la troquita que trae este güey. He got a bunch of badass trucks. He's just a GM guy. And then he got the lifted over here, and then he got a big guy back over here. Got a 4-door square body, lifted on, I don't even know what it sounds, but it sounds, it's mean as hell. It looks good as hell. It's my type of trucks. Yeah, buddy. It sounds good. I don't know if he's home, to be honest. He might be at work. Hopefully he's at home. If not, he's going to check the ring thing. But yeah, I just wanted to show you, if you're watching this video, sounds good. I don't know if he's at home or not, so I'm gonna just leave. Oh my God, man. I'm gonna spend a lot of fucking gas. That's all I fucking know. I'm gonna spend a lot of gas. Cause I'm gonna just be wanting to hear it. This sounds good as hell. Jesus. All the smoke left behind. I couldn't even fucking see it. But Jesus. It's still kind of scary to drive with one hand and then record with the other one. Just cause I'm focused more on the camera. Well, I'm putting a little more focus on the camera than just actually driving. So I wish I could show you a really good video of, maybe someday. I feel like I have a location here in Dallas where I could go do donuts and no one's gonna tell me a damn thing because it's an abandoned place and there's really no way to get to it by street. You gotta go off-roading. So maybe there's a future video there where I'll show y'all me burning out and seeing what this truck can do. Because now that I have the tripod, it can stand on it by itself and record me. Either way, it sounds good as hell, man. I really, if you're thinking about getting the Carven, I really do. I really believe you should. Badass truck, it's cammed and everything. I mean, and it sounds really good. It's not gonna be like a punch in your face type of shit, but that's probably because I got the white pipe. The white pipe makes it a little more silent. Alright, we're gonna make one more stop and I'll show you the idle, and that's gonna be the end of the video. But I'm super happy about what I did, what I purchased. Really sounds nice. Okay, we got green. Fucking transmission. And we got the 4L Slippy. The 4S Slippy. It's not the 4L60 anymore, it's the 4L Slippy. Cause that bitch be slipping. Alright, let's stop right here. This is actually where I stopped the first video in El Rancho. Well, next to it, right here in Arlington. So, yeah, let's get out the truck and show ya. Alright. This could have been a video in itself. 9 minutes already. But yeah, man. I like the deep tone it has. Still gotta get it clean, and then it'll be clean as fuck, but ya le va, ya le da. Alright, that's everything for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you haven't. And I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully it won't be too long until I post another video, because I got a few more plans to do. Yeah, this video got dragged out a little bit, so I'm not sure where I'm at. Probably like maybe 14 minutes. So yeah, I don't want to take too much of the time. But thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. I'll catch you on the next one.